Hey, today we have PJ.
This show is sponsored by HiveMind CRM. It is more than just a CRM. It is a real estate and business mastermind that comes with an all-in-one CRM. You can have unlimited websites and users. You can call, text, RVM, and email all in one user interface. And you can set up custom automations for any type and multiple businesses. 65% of companies start using a CRM system within the first 5 years of business. Once implemented, the HiveMind will save you on marketing, give you more time, and make more money. One of our users had his first $100,000 month using our system in June. We want to see you automate and accelerate your business. Text us at 210-972-1842 for future meetings, and of course to get our $1 course on how to make more than 6 figures on one land deal. You can schedule your free demo today at hivemindcrm.io.
PJ, where are you from today?
I'm from Pittsburgh, PA, the best city in the world.
No, we picked you up in Austin, right?
Yeah, no, San Marcos to be more precise.
All right, whatever. We picked him up in Texas. Yes, he's from Pittsburgh, but we don't really care about that. He lives here now. He's a Texan now. Even though I don't live here, I'm not a Texan. This hat is only for show, but he's a Texan, I'm not. But it's all good though. So PJ, I want to ask you, when did you first hear about the HiveMind?
I heard it 2 Augusts ago, I would say. I was in another mentor group. Someone from the group was also from Texas, and so he invited me down to this event called HiveMind.
Shout him out.
Cecil Perkins.
Let's go,
And
Cecil.
so, Cecil, you brought me down and introduced me to these dudes, and I knew that I wanted to be associated with you guys, and so here we are.
See, this is what I love about referrals. I don't know where they come from and where people come from as a whole. How long ago was that?
That was about a year and a half ago.
A year and a half. Wow.
Yeah.
Who knows? A year and a half ago. So, what'd you like most about the HiveMind, whether it was me or Anthony or just the group in general? What'd you like most?
I love the brainstorming that goes on in the HiveMind. There's an infinite amount of knowledge that is shared amongst a community of people. You come together and you get to teach and you get to learn by teaching. I'm a teacher myself, and so I really value that that breadth of knowledge being shared amongst people, and so I'm grateful to be a part of this opportunity, and that's why I'm here.
So you actually got the benefit of actually being on the ride up here. What'd you think of the ride up here? What'd you learn? It was an experience catching the ride up here, but what'd you like most about the ride getting up here and the Airbnb?
I learned a lot about Anthony and Daniel and crew. And they love to play dress up and calendars for a couple hours, which is cool.
I mean, Anthony got a hat made, so it wasn't really.
That was.
I mean, I was in and out in 5 to 10 minutes. But
Yeah.
It was Anthony had to get his hat made, so it was a lot more time there we spent there.
But it was a good time getting to have that firsthand knowledge from you guys. So you guys don't just speak it, you guys experience it and do what you guys preach. And so to have the opportunity to have a firsthand experience being a part of this and also doing something, it just adds to my confidence and showing that it's attainable for anyone.
So PJ here actually got to experience today in his own little way. So tell us about your experience today.
So I had a buyer show up, and I brought in the buyer. It was a done deal whenever he showed up. A little bit of drama, but it was good. It all worked out in the end, and I'm glad to have contributed to that. And so everyone walks home, people get land, people get paid, and I'm so blessed to be part of this.
So we ended up selling that lot for $270,000.
Awesome.
Congrats, man, congrats. What'd you think about this experience here in Greenville? We're in Greenville selling 350 acres. What'd you think about today actually seeing it firsthand?
This is insane. As many people that have come through, and I'm being able to, I've never walked, this is almost 350 acres. I've never been on that much land, let alone been able to drive around in a 4-seater myself.
So PJ has been actually he's been riding with some of the salesmen, taking them around the property, other people that come in, he's been driving around. So it's kind of been fun seeing him enjoy himself, because everybody here, I want them to enjoy themselves and learn and hopefully participate in some way. And I think he did everything.
Yeah, man.
A little bit of everything.
Yep. A little bit of everything.
Did you help at all when somebody got stuck in the mud?
Yeah, that was a time and a half.
Moral support.
Yeah, I didn't get my shirt dirty. That was the most important thing. I supervised.
Okay, I got you. I'll let you have that one. If there was one thing that you would convince somebody else to join the Hive Mind, what would it be?
Man, just take action, hit someone up. I definitely recommend getting involved. You meet some amazing people, and we're all trying to help each other level up. And I think that's one of the most beautiful things is helping each other be better people.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you, man. I hope you get much success, and I hope we get a deal across the line, and we make some money.
Yeah,
we're gonna do some big things in the future.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it, man.
So I appreciate you participating. I appreciate you just showing up, man. I think that's the difference between everybody else is the people that show up, you can tell, and we're always here to support those that show up. So I really appreciate you showing up and supporting, and now you get to see it. Now you get to see the fruits of the labor. So I appreciate that.
For sure, brother.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this YouTube video. We hope you found value. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to watch more videos just like this one.